What we got here? Oh shit! What I got? What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. In this one, we're doing some more ice fishing. I'm actually shooting this one after the fact. But yeah, we headed out to the lake to try for some multiple species, put some tip-ups out, and the bite was absolutely fire. So yeah, I'm not gonna waste some more time. We're gonna dive right into the video, so stay tuned. Yeah. Yep. Oh, thanks, man. What's your name?
Drew Stewart.
Drew Stewart? Joe Herrick. Nice to meet you.
Man.
You live around, you went to Brook?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, me too.
Really?
Yeah. Graduated 08. Probably a little older than you.
I'm only 18.
So. Yeah, I graduated 08. Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Cool,
man. You got any tips? Because I'm struggling.
You're right where the trout should be, honestly. There's like a grass bit. There's a grass line right here, too.
Mm-hmm.
The bass are like in the grass. And then out of ways a little bit, like right outside the grass is where we were catching trout. What are you using?
This little minnow, fake plastic minnow. I'm just trying to jig it up and down.
Yeah, I mean that should work. We caught a lot of the trout just on like mealworms and stuff, just jigging. But you guys with the doll auger?
Yeah, that's
mine's getting there too. You got to sharpen them up.
Yeah, I knew it. You mind if I get a picture or something?
Yeah, sure, man.
Yeah, my girlfriend never thought I'd get a picture, so.
Yeah, go for it.
Well, man, I appreciate it.
Yeah, what was your name again?
Drew Stewart.
Drew Stewart, good to meet you.
Good.
Yeah, it's,
I actually got an Instagram, Rods and Racks.
Okay, send me a message on there. I'll hit you up. I'll probably be out here tomorrow.
All right.
Cool, man.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yep, good to meet you. Holy shit. Got something. Got something on a minnow. It's a crappie. Yeah. I bet you that's what I was marking. Hell yeah. Something different out here. Boom! First crappie of the year through the ice. Hell yeah. I was wondering where they were. Here, bud. Woohoo! Let's get some more. Let's go. All right, well, I just got the crappie. Tommy just got a bass over there. Super windy. Hope you can hear me. But yeah, we're catching some fish. All right, well, there we go. Got a little bit off the bottom. Hope that bobber raises again. Oh, there's one. Oh, that might be another crappie. What we got here? Oh, big bluegill. Hell yeah. Dude, hopefully there's a bunch here. That's weird we haven't been able to find them till today. That guy freaking popped it pretty hard. All right. Could be cat bait. I don't think we need to though. Hopefully there's more. There's gotta be more down there. Later, bud. All right, catch some different species here. Let's go. So I just missed another one. It took my bait, so there's definitely more gills down there, which is good. There he is. Oh, crappie. Hell yeah. Boom. Let's go. Crappie number 2. Got 2 crappie so far, 1 bluegill. Hell yeah. I'm wanting to find these dang crappie, man. I'm looking for them. Finally found them in this little lake. Later, bud. Okay, let's go. Oh shit. Come on, just pull this guy over. Hopefully he's on there. No! No! Hey! Big old gill, dude. They're getting bigger. Funny that I'm excited to catch panfish because we haven't been able to find them in this lake, but the crappie are fun. I don't even care. I mean, the bluegill are too. I'm even gonna be nice and let them keep the mealworm. There, bud. So it's 2. I got 2 gills, 2 crappie. Missed another one. I think the crappie. Ain't had anything hit the dead minnow yet. Back on. Okay. Ooh, what do I got here? Drop it right back down. And I got, oh, what do we got? What do we got? It is another gilly. Hell yeah, man, on the bottom, bro. Just sit. That's why we weren't finding them. 20 foot of water for some reason. You. That one freaking smacked it. So funny, it's a decent sized gill, and then my big ass hand like just makes it look like some tiny little. Look at, bro. I think I'm getting them riled up. Starting a little frenzy down there. Just turn the camera back on. Where's he at? What do we got here? Found the gills, man. We had one crappie out of this hole and one crappie over there. Hey, bro. That's I think it's supposed to be a crappie. Oh, dude, it's just a big old gill. Man, I thought that was gonna be a crappie. Just a big old gill. Definitely found the freaking gill hole. Yeah, I mean, out here catching a lot of fish. Might try to look for a trout or some bass here soon. See if I can find some more crappie maybe. I don't know. Oh, he's freaking out. There he goes. Man, dropped it right back down. There's so many down there. Back to back drops. There he is. As soon as I turned the camera on, I just knew it. So I just like knew he was gonna hit. I turned the freaking camera on and boom. I don't know how many gills I've caught now. It's a lot. Oh, I got a fish though. Dude, you come over here and catch bluegill. Oh my god. He's on there. Yes. What do we got here? What do we got here? Oh yeah. Nice crappie. That's a pretty good one. Hell yeah. I knew they're down there suspended. Boom! I'm getting his, we got his lake figured out now. That's a nice crappie, dude. Hell yeah. Okay, dude, cheers. Boop. Here, bud. Hell yeah. I know there's more down there. It's gonna be a crappie. Oh no. Oh no. Did he get off? No! No! He was already off when I grabbed it. Damn it. It was still bouncing a little bit. But as soon as I picked it up, there was nothing there. I'm gonna eat my sandwich. Yeah, that's sloppy sandwich. Oh shit! Oh, dude, it's off already. Did you see that pole? That was a bass. Dude, I picked my sandwich up. Oh my god, what is going on over here? I need a bigger hook. Huh?
You got one here.
Oh my god.
It's on, yeah.
What is going on?
You got it.
What the hell is going on right now?
I just caught one on a piece of chicken. Yeah, I'd like to know.
Oh, look at that guy.
Wow.
Well, he might be bait too, because that's a good one there. Trying to eat my sandwich, and that I just put that pole back down and it goes off. And dude, it was buried. It was about to pull it in. And then this big old gill right here, if we can take some other rod down when I was walking over there.
Big old gill.
Holy shit, man. That's a pretty one, dude.
Oh yeah, he's living in the grass.
That's got a little tiny crappie over there. Oh yeah.
It's in that grass, he didn't lose his color.
Yeah, that's cool. You're having a bad day, dude. Hasn't even caught a fish. What happened, bro?
I'm hurt.
What happened?
I'm busting my ass. He went.
Scared all the fish away from Nick.
I haven't had a bite since.
Jeez.
My nuts hurt.
What we got here? Oh shit! What I got? Seems like it. Oh, it's a bass. Yeah, that guy was in 22 feet of water. Let's go. Yeah, he started fighting. I was like, hold up. What the hell you doing in 22 feet of water, bro? Where's my bass? Finally got one. It's freaking 22 feet of water. There, bro. Get down there. Hell yeah. Mitch, you made the video. You made the video, bud.
Finally.
What you got there? Hey. Oh, man, you guys both just got ripped. Oh, nice bass, dude. Is that crappie? Oh, that's a stud. Dude, that's a stud crappie. Hold that guy up.
Oh yeah.
That's a good one, bro. Hell yeah. I'm getting ready to leave and the crappie are moving in.